G'day and welcome back to the channel. So today, a little bit different. We've already been out and about. We've already caught our feed of crabs. Had a pretty good session. So I'm doing the intro now because I forgot to do it before. But that's all right. So what I'll do is I'll roll on the clips and I'll show you how we caught them. And then come back here and I'm gonna cook this guy up a little bit differently, so compared to what Kay's gonna do. So come back and I will show you that. I see you hiding there. You size? Yeah, you might be size. Let's have a look at you. See if you are size. Oh, you might be size. This guy's size. Well and truly's. Yeah. He's a good 5 mil over. That's not bad, babe. First one, but he was just sitting on the weed, wasn't even doing anything. That'll be size 2. Is he soft? It sounds like he's soft.
He's good.
Oh, he's size, yeah. Shit, yeah. Oh, he's bigger than my one. Oh, no, he's not bigger, but there you go. Well, that's not bad.
Okay.
2 in 5 minutes. Beautiful. Just like that, we have 2 crabs. Yep, another one here. Oh, he's too small. Yeah, he's in a hole. Where'd you go? I see you there. Little guy. Nice colour on him. Oh mate, let go. There you go. Bit of a tip here if you're starting out, always check the holes. Crabs are always hiding in holes, more often than not. So if you see a hole or a shadow, just give it a poke. Oh, you're in there. You little female. I can see you. You little bugger. Go on, fight another day. I'll leave you alone. Oh, how big are you? Come out of your hole. Are you big enough? Oh, you might be. Having a bit of a frisky time there, were you? I think you're big enough though. Hey. You're well under. No, mate. You too, Missy. Standing on one right now. It's going to be very hard to see him. Let's push that out of the way. Oh. I think it's a female. Yeah. I've got the camera on. One under my foot here, I can see him. I don't think he's big though. Oh! Nah, he's not size, is he? Nah, he almost fell through the bloody hole. Lots of undersized ones, Katie. Love to find a stonker. Oh, you might be size too. Keep saying that, but he might be size, this guy. Hey, oh, he almost come out. Shit. Oh, good job. Little bastard. Stay there. Measure you. your lucky day, man. Far out. He's like 2 millimeters under, if that. Alright. His size. Good job. Well, no, yeah, he's not. He's under. Oh, sorry. Only just, but he's under. Other side. Got one of them cable tied so it doesn't come undone. Oh, he's a good size. Well, that's 3. That's good. It's probably better than we're having at the other place we normally go to, size-wise. All right, let's get rid of this guy out here and the clearer stuff. There you go. God, you can't stand still too long. Look at that. Just stop walking and it turns to shit. If you really do miss them on your first or second attempt, you're not going to find them. Oi, that's a big hole. Jesus Christ. Oh. Nice and stirred up. Yep, there he is right there. Oh, you gotta be size. You gotta be size. Oh yeah, you're in. You're mine. Another one, baby. Another one. He's a good one. Oh. Jesus. Don't know if you saw that on camera then, but he swam right up. But he's not size though. How we identify males pretty quickly. The first thing is the size of the claw compared to the female. It's a lot bigger. The colour, they're often very dark blue. And then obviously the last thing is the really pointy section on the back of his shell there. The females have got a really broad one, goes like that. Male's nice and pointy. So there are 3 things, and often you can tell before you even check on. This is the thing that identifies them the easiest. But you know, when you scoop them up and you can see the dark colour and the size of the claws, that's how you always generally know that they are the males. But this guy's too small, so he's going back. There he goes. Oh, he's a fatty. Did you measure him up?
Yeah.
Oh, he's alright.
Size.
He's definitely size. Good job.
Found about 3 females doing the same thing. So I thought,
Well, definitely got a feed now, so. Jeez. Look at you go. Look how wide he is underneath.
not size.
Really?
Yep, not size.
Wow. Looks like he is, doesn't he? Well, you have to fight another day. Oh yeah. Let's measure just to do the righty. He's about what, 6 millimeters over. Looking pretty good in there now. Well done, babe. She's showing me how to do it today. Oh yeah. Something stirring that up, looks like. Oh, yep, you could be a good one too. You got to be size, surely. Jesus. Oh, come on. You. It's your lucky day. Jesus, I keep finding the small ones today. Come on, out you go. Out you go. Oops. Come on, go. Right. one that I just caught. Oh, you're soft, aren't you? Oh, sorry, man. See, when they're soft, maybe you can see that on the camera, but I just busted his claw anyway. But he's just changed his shell, so he's no good. You can see on the camera. Yeah, you should be able to see that. He'll be right. Just let him go. Another day or so and that shell will be nice and hard. Righto, so as you can see, Kay's got hers in there cranking along. So we caught 6, not sure if I said that before during the footage or not, but we've got 6 crabs. So I'm going to cook this guy up a little bit different. I'm going to use some chili and some garlic. So sweet chili and some garlic, and cook him up. Just going to try and steam him and see how he turns out. So let's get that cracking. Righto, so to make sweet chili and garlic crab, you're going to need sweet chili and garlic. So I haven't done it before, I'm just going to wing it. I'm going to put in, I don't know, not that much, whatever that is, and then a good teaspoon of garlic, about that much. Put that a good old mix around. I'm also going to put a little bit of water in there, just to make it a little bit thinner. Okay, put that aside. And now we're going to prep the crab. So again, a little bit different to what we normally do. Back off. Get rid of his jaws, his gills. I'm just going to cut him in half. I started that before. So now I'm going to get all those guts and stuff out of there. Righto, so once you've cleaned it, you can see it looks like that, nice and clean. And all I want to do now is crack the claws, because I want to get the flavour of the chili and the garlic into all the meat. So it is pretty soft already. Just give it a bit of a crack. Not all the way through, just enough to let some juices go in. So now what we need to do is put that in the sweet chili and the garlic, give it a good coat. Righto, so the next bit is just to light up the old camp cooker. Put the pot on. And I'm just going to pour the whole contents in there, including all the liquid as well. So everything goes in. Just like that. And the reason why I put some water in there is to hopefully it's going to help it steam a little bit. Put the lid on and we'll just see how it goes. So like I was saying, I haven't done it this way before, we're kind of winging it, so hopefully it's going to taste okay. We'll give it, I don't know, 7-8 minutes, let it steam up until it changes colour, and then yeah, give it a taste and hopefully it's magnifique. Alright, so a bit of a sticky beak. Oh yeah, you can see it's changing colour there already, look at that. Beautiful orange colour. There you go, garlic and sweet chili bluesuma crab. Don't know about you, but that looks pretty good. Let's give it a taste. Okay, so we'll try with the broken claw first. You can see the meat hanging out of there. It's really sweet, eh? You know when it's cooked properly when you do that, it comes out. It's really good. Nothing more on that one. To the other claw. It's pretty hot to touch. It's really good with the sweet chili. We should try that more often. There you go. Not a lot of meat in there though. I mean, look at the size of the hole on the size of the hole for the shell, and a little bit of meat in there. But still. Really good. You got the saltiness of the crab, and the sweet chili and the garlic coming through as well. It's really, really yummy. Bit of that one. Alright. I'm gonna finish this up. Kay's demolishing her stuff over there. I'm gonna put her on camera because she's making a good old mess. But she's loving it. Yeah, so I'll call it in the video right there. So as usual, if you liked it, give me a thumbs up, a sticky thumbs up. And if you want to see more, please subscribe.